Create an image of design fun and colorful 3D cartoon icon against a white background, transparent background perfect for social media use. Include a cheerful yellow vintage car with rounded headlights and a smiling grille. Add playful details like sparkles or small stars around the icon to enhance the whimsical feel. Generate charming 3D cartoon icons on a white background, with a unique character and style. A pastel camera with rounded edges and fun buttons, ensure icon has a consistent cartoon style but distinct personality. Create vibrant 3D cartoon icons on a pristine white background. Include a futuristic robot with iridescent metallic surfaces. Icons should have soft shadows to give depth, and the colors should pop against the white backdrop. Design a collection of eye-catching 3D cartoon icons for social media, set against a clean white background. Feature a playful airplane with red accents and cartoonish windows. Use glossy finishes and subtle highlights to make the icons look lively and engaging. Create a series of 4 whimsical 3D cartoon icons for social media platforms, set on a white background. Focus on a futuristic robot with glowing pink eyes and metallic joints, a pastel camera with a large lens and playful pink accents, a vibrant hot air balloon with multicolored panels, and a sleek rocket ship with orange fins and a blue nose cone. Use soft lighting and subtle reflections to enhance the 3D effect, making the icons look both fun and professional.